Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's your girl Kanesha. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also comment your website down below. Don't forget to give me a like and also check the description box. So the number for these labels is 22822. That's what I'm showing you guys. So you want to log on to avery.com. And as you can see, I'm logging on. If I were you, I would create an account because you can save your logo and your designs to your account. And that way, when you want to print more, it's easy. It'll literally take you like 2 minutes. So I definitely recommend that. So I logged into my account and I'm just like showing you guys how it looks when you have an account. And again, showing you that number 22822. So I'm typing that in right here. And it's just gonna take me to the Avery labels where I could purchase them, or if I wanted to print them out, what we're gonna be doing today. So I'm just showing you guys that. And I'm gonna click on templates and we're gonna get started with designing our labels. So click start designing. Okay, so basically just follow what I'm doing here. Click select this design and then click image. I'm going to get my image from my computer, so you will see me doing that next. If you don't have a printer, or if you don't have a design, or if you just don't know how to make these, make sure you guys click the link in the description box because I do sell labels. Go to preview and print, and I'm just looking over everything to make sure it's done correctly, and then we're going to print the labels out. Make sure you guys save this design to your account, so next time you need more labels, it'll be a faster process. You want to click download, and then you want to click open at the bottom. Click the print icon, and I'm going to click print again. So I did a test run on a sheet of paper, and this is how they look. They came out pretty good. I also want to show you guys the labels I did in the last video compared to these ones. So I just put high gloss, I put my logo, and then I put vanilla scent 15 ml. So this is how I did it. So this is just on a regular sheet of paper. You always want to print it on a regular sheet of paper first, and now I'm going to insert the labels. So here's what the labels look like. I'm gonna open it up and just put it in. Then over here, I'm going to click print again. Right there, and then just watch it come out. So here is how it looks. They look really, really cute. So it did smudge a little bit. That's the problem that I've been having with these labels. I don't know if it's just the labels or my printer, but the other ones are fine. It was just this one. So let's put it on the lip gloss, and I'm going to show you guys how I do that. So I just have a blank lip gloss right here. This one is called Golden Girl. If you guys want to purchase this one, it's available at kdkbeauty.com. So I'm going to take the label, be really careful. Do it like that. And here is the blank lip gloss. I want my logo to be in the center, so It's in the center, as you can see. And then I'm just gonna rub it how you guys see me do in the last video. So just rub it. It says high gloss and it has my logo. Mind you, I'm gonna show you guys another color because my logo is gold right here and the lip gloss is gold, so it just blends in. And then it says vanilla scent and it says 15 ml. So let's try another one so you guys can see the KDK Beauty part a little bit better. But it's really cute. So cute. Says high gloss with that. Okay, so let's move on to the next color. Icy Girl right here. If you guys want to purchase this one, it's only $3.95 on kdkbeauty.com. So let's take this one off. This is so cute, guys. It says high gloss. Then it has my logo. It's still kind of hard to see just because it's super glittery. And then it says vanilla scent. Vanilla scent. It's not picking up on camera. It says vanilla scent and it says 15 ml. KDK Beauty. And then high gloss. So this is how it looks. It's really cute. So if you guys do use this design or if you see someone using it, please tag me. I would love to see the design and just tag me just for credit because, you know, I haven't seen anyone else do this. So yeah, I love seeing like people do what I've shown them in my videos. Is so cute. But yeah, if you guys would like to purchase labels, just go to kdkbeauty.com and go to shop or the pretty and paid tab. If you guys want a video on how to make logo stickers, make sure you guys comment down below. Also, make sure you guys check out my webinars and also my pretty and paid package if you guys need help starting a business. I also have a Facebook group linked down below and an Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope this video helped at least one person. If you guys want another tutorial on anything, make sure you guys let me know what it is down in the comments below. Follow my Instagrams and also join my Facebook group. Check out my webinars. Everything will be linked down in the description box, and thank you guys so much. I told you guys how I purchased from my subscribers, and I purchased this a little while ago. I think the brand is called Retro Cosmetics, but I'll have it linked down below. But I love these like little mini tubes of lip gloss. Like in high school, I always had one of these, and I had a pink color. It just looks like that. So this is a pretty color, and they're both lip glosses. So shout out to her. I'm gonna